Hey pretties, welcome back to my motherfucking channel. Woo woo. Wait, did I order my food? Oh, okay. Okay, Lord, that's okay. Anyways, guys, y'all have been really asking me like how's my makeup, this, that, and that. I want a detailed tutorial. First of all, don't look at my nails. I broke my nails, so they have to heal first. And I promise y'all by next year I'm gonna have them done. So don't come for me, because I ain't come for you, and that's on P. First of all, let's get a little closer. But anyways, guys, you asked for a detail how's my makeup, so I'm gonna show you guys. Shoot, how I do it today. Like, I mean, you asked, so you gonna get it, period. So I always do my eyebrows first. You guys already noticed about me, but I do have eyelash extensions. Even though they're coming out, I still gotta take care of them, even though I haven't. Just take my lash brush and I'm just gonna wet it. It's like you're shampooing your lashes, basically, you know. Take all the dust out. It really don't get dirty, it just gets crazy. Like, y'all can see how it looks mad crazy. Oh my god, I moisturize my, okay, hold on. I moisturize with Cetaphil, and I also use Palmer's Skin Success. So first I use the Cetaphil to moisturize because it's gonna, you know, moisturize my face because it's dry. And then, so this is to moisturize my face, alright? And then the Palmer's is to get rid of these black spots, baby, because y'all see they still here. We don't want them here, we want them gone, man. Especially at the freaking, my freaking chin is so bad. If I put it on after, because it's so light. They're both light, but this is like, especially like when you're about to put on makeup, you can put this on before you put on your makeup. So that's really good. Alright, so I always do my eyebrows first. I have a eyebrow tutorial, but I'm not gonna hold you guys. I did get better at my eyebrows, of course, since then. So if you guys want to update it one, just let me know. I'll show you guys the new products I use for my eyebrows, because I wasn't using these before. So now I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in the shade Ebony. Ebony is like the second to darkest shade. I think the darkest shade is like, I don't know, but it's freaking black, and I don't want black on my eyebrows, you know, you feel me? So I just make a thin line. I want to make it as thin as possible because I feel like when I mess up my line, my eyebrows are gonna mess up. That's always what happens. So I obviously do the same thing on the other side. See, what I used to do, I used to line the top and the bottom. I don't line the top anymore like I used to do, so I just line the bottom, as you guys could see. If you haven't used Anastasia yet and you're planning on using it, I just want to let you guys know that it's really pigmented. So like a little dab of this on the brush, a little brush could go a long way. So you don't really have to, like, you know, drag it with the dipping and, like, you know, kind of go like, you know what I'm saying, like digging into it. So be careful about that, because also if you don't want dark eyebrows, you don't want to, you know, do too much of, you know, yeah, maneuvering inside of it. Now after I line them, I just like brush them up like this, like basically I'm brushing the hard lines up, you feel me? And then I just take my finger to wipe off the dark parts. Always need tissue, mainly because it's so pigmented. And also once I'm done with my pomade, I gotta move on to my concealer, and you obviously don't want it like looking grayish, blackish, you know, over your eyebrows. So now I'm using Born This Way multi-use sculpting. Like I was saying, I use Born This Way multi-use concealer sculpting, whatever. It's mad words. Multi-use sculpting concealer. Yeah, I've been doing this like since I had different concealers. I just put on the back of my hand. And you don't need a lot for this either, because this is really good coverage for eyebrows. I really like this concealer a lot. My shade is Butterscotch. This is the travel size. They have obviously bigger sizes, but I wanted to try it first. So yeah, the travel size was expensive too. So I was like, I just do the same thing I was doing like when I was lining it, but I'm gonna put my eyebrows up like this, like I'm shocked or whatever. I can't really talk like this, guys. Give me a second. I'm gonna explain why I do it. Okay, the reason why I do like this, like, you know, what? It really helps. It really helps like give an arch, you know. If you don't, especially if you don't have one. I have an arch already, but like I still do it. Like it just really helps to find my arch, like enhance it, if I should say that, more. So that's why I do that. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye, then I'll be back. So as you guys can see, I lined the top. I'm sorry, like I kind of forgot I was filming. why did I wear something pretty like right now? You feel me? Like, so as you guys can see, I just lined the top. That's the only time I lined the top of my eyebrows. And now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. But okay, after I do that, I take the brush. Oh yeah, this brush is from India Royal collection, so shout out to her. She sent me more pomade. I didn't open it yet because I don't want to wear it yet. But she's also a good company that has good pomade, like for real. But yeah, I just spread it out. Obviously the concealer, you feel me? A lot of people I notice like they just like wipe it off, and I don't do that unless I have too much on, like OD. I take this brush next that I got from Target. I don't know what it is, honestly. I'm put on the screen. But every time I go to Target now to try to get a new one because I messed this one up. I forgot what I did. I think I wet it. Like, I don't know if y'all can see. It's like, it's just mad stiff. Like, before it wasn't like stiff like this. So I want a new one, but I can't find it. And then I go online. I'm like, oh, I can get it online and just order it. Blah, blah. It's like only sold in stores, but when I go to my store, it's not there. But then online it says it's there. It's like, you're lying. You're just a liar, and I don't like those. You know, beauty blenders, you can mess up your eyebrows because you touch the brush touches your eyebrow by mistake, and it just gets smudgy and ugly. You know what I'm saying? I know you know what I'm saying if you do eyebrows. But this, it's like it gets in all the creases that a big ass beauty blender won't get. I know some people like they'll put the concealer at the bottom to give some highlight, and at the top put the foundation so they can have their skin color, you know, it blends in. But I don't do that. The next thing I do, I really don't do a lot of makeup like how most girls do, you feel me? So next thing I use this concealer, and sometimes I won't. I'm not gonna use that one because I don't know, I think I need a darker shade. I'm gonna use Tofi from LA Girl Pro Conceal from Beauty Supply Store. This is only $3, so it looks fine to me. I make it look good. I got two beauty blenders that I use on my face. I use this one that was sent to me. I don't know why. Well, you guys, I don't know what video that was when I showed this brush, this beauty blender. But if you know, you know, and if you don't, you don't. Yeah, I just blended it only on my dark spots. That's the reason why I put concealer on my dark spots, because if you have flawless skin, you always can just move on to foundation. But if you have skin like me and I want you to be great, you gotta put on concealer to cover those dark spots. I'm all concealed up. My dark spots are still showing, but I'm not gonna keep on building and building, making my face look cakey, so I'm gonna just leave it as is. And when I put on my foundation, it'll seamlessly be gone. For foundation, I do use e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, so yes, I love this. It really does what it's supposed to do. A flawless finish foundation. It gives you a flawless finish. Take some on the side of my hand or on the top of my hand, like I do literally all my other liquid products that I use on my face. Take the same beauty blender because I love how it has like the slantedness. I could also make this bigger if I wanted to, but I don't need no big beauty blender. Yes, this beauty blender has like microfiber material. It's super soft and it's easy to clean. I just make dots all around my face. I really don't put on that much foundation. Me, I really don't put on that much. I put on like a generous amount so like my face could look flawless because that's what I want. Yeah, it's really one of my favorites, and I love how it doesn't dry too quickly because certain foundations like the Fenty foundation dries so fast. Alright guys, so once I'm done with my base, my face, you feel me, I have two setting powders that I use. First of all, I use is a Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Cashew, because there's a lot of different shades. And I just take this beauty blender, my second beauty blender, which looks like this. It has like a lot going on. I love it a lot. Got it from TJ Maxx. Now this I love because like you see how it's like slanted but then slanted again. Like the top you can use for under your eyes. This you can use for like right here. I just love it. And I gotta tell y'all, this freaking sponge is so soft. Like, sorry guys, I'm not trying to get powder see on my pants. I always just, I really don't set nowhere else but like right here, because this is a part where it could get creased at and stuff. I feel like my smile line and stuff don't really get creased because I don't smile like that. I'm just kidding. And then I take, where's that brush? Oh, I take this brush, don't know where it's from. Oh yes I do, it's from a CVS. I have this makeup line at CVS that like sells their own brushes and it's so cool. I know y'all see like a little bit of whiteness like Icyxmto. I'm gonna fix that, relax. So anyways guys, alright guys, so next thing I do is my contouring. I was not doing contouring before and I still probably don't know how to do it now, but I was not doing it at all. I just started doing it this year. So since I was at my work, they gave us like free makeup and I started using this. Yeah, looks like this. True Complexion contour palette from light to medium. They have, I think, light to medium and then medium to dark. And I'll, yes mother.
Yes, I see. So are you Icylinn, mother? I said, you a friend? She was like, oh, I love her videos. I said, oh, thank you. I said, how you know it was me? She was like, because she would be like, that's my mom. I said, you sound just like her. That was real. I said, I'm a celebrity.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
My food is coming. So I have contours, but oh, that's so sweet. Thank you guys, whoever was, for approaching my mom and saying like, you know, being polite, but also like saying hi. Like, I don't know. I think that's just cute. But anyways, in the palette it has contour, it has sculpt, and highlight. And I never use the highlight really, but it's really good pop and highlight. I always use sculpt. I don't know why I don't be using contour. I use sculpt. So I use sculpt for just contour my cheekbones. Y'all can see the line. That's mainly what I do. I take this e.l.f. brush. It's called the e.l.f. Airbrush Blender Brush. Some Target as well when I got that other brush that I told you guys about that I can't find no more. But you see how like it has like an angle? I always take like the fat part and the I also do under my chin with the excess. I don't do my nose because I really don't need to, but I do my forehead. I don't know why. I just take the excess and just put it somewhere, honestly, at this point. Alright guys, so I got to see this how my face looking now. I'm done with this. I always put it back. Next, the second setting powder that I use is the Airspun powder that I got from Walmart. It was $5, I believe. It's super inexpensive. I take the first beauty blender I was using and I just dip it in. This I use to set my concealer. I mean, set my contour. I'm like girl, say it already. Alright, wait, hold up. Where's that? She said he's coming my food and what the fuck is you doing? Oh hell no. Do that. Don't fucking play with me. So that's how your face should look. And then I take the brush I use in the contour. After like a couple of seconds, I just wipe off the excess dust. Y'all can see a little bit of whiteness, but I'm gonna fix that when I come back with my food because he's downstairs like, why he didn't say something? I'm trying to tell my food because we can really get it. I'll be back. Okay. Your girl got her food, period. Got my little smash burger. Okay. I'm gonna hurry so I can eat this because I'm low-key starving. I didn't eat at all today. Your girl got a lot of setting sprays. Can you say obsessed? We got some Urban Decay. We have Iconic London. We have MAC. And we have Versa. I don't know. Honestly and truly, Urban Decay and MAC is the best in my opinion. And also Morphe. I have Morphe too, but I ran out. But I usually use Morphe all the time. I'm gonna use MAC Prep and Prime today. This is around, I don't even know honestly, because I never really brought it. I just stole my mom's. Like, this is my mom's and I just steal it every time. And then she just buy herself a new one every time I take it because she knows she's not gonna get it back. And then the last step is highlight. At a point I just stopped using the highlight and now I'm back to using it. I want to be glowy today, so I have my two most glowy highlighters that I have. This one is by Wet n Wild. You probably like Wet n Wild. I said what? Yes. And I had this highlighter for 5 years. No, 3 years. I'm bugging. So for this to still be working. And I also got Fenty, obviously. I got this like during the summer, I'm gonna use trophy wipes today. I take this fan brush that I got off her Ramway. It was like a whole makeup brush set for like $20. Y'all see that? If I see it in person, it's like, whoa. On camera, not really doing too much justice. It's something to talk about. I always do my Cupid's pillow. That's my favorite. And this is how I do my makeup, guys. Oh yeah, I do put on my eyelashes. Y'all already know I have big dramatic eyelashes. So even though I already have on like extensions, these are not really long to me. That's why I didn't want to get them again, because they're like basic. Even though honestly, I'm kind of starting to feel them. You guys are starting to like them too. Y'all been like them. But so India sent me my eyelashes. This is one of them I'm gonna use today. Oh yeah, and I have an eyelash tutorial, so I'm not gonna do the eyelash tutorial. I'm just gonna come back with them on. Alright guys, so the lashes is on. Lashes is on. Y'all can see it's different. This is Icylinn. Okay, oh no, this is pretty right here. This is pretty Icylinn, you know. Without the lashes, I'm Icylinn. So let me brush my hair out of that little part, bang, whatever you want to call it. I want to thank India for these lashes, because these lashes is, hold on, like, these lashes is in my eyebrows looking popping, my face look popping, my head look popping, everything look freaking popping. Like, oh my god, yes! This is the finishing look. Got my fine girl on. Shout out to my girls for sending me this, because I love it. It's so cute on me. Makes my curves look nice or whatever. Last step is my lip gloss. I always wear lip gloss. I don't like lipstick. I used to love lipstick when I was like 12, 13, but after a while I just stopped wearing it. This is by Black Radiance. I don't know the shade. Doesn't have a shade on here. But yeah guys, here's the finishing look. No, like really though, do not look at my lace, because I'm gonna fix that. So here's the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for my videos up. Mwah, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye pretties.